Again, Tortoise Capital with the daily trading plan review for February 17th, 2026. Sniper trade of the day. We have Walmart. This is 10-minute charts. Blue box is the last 30 minutes of yesterday. Opening range 10 minutes is the green box. We get a breakout below the low of the OR10. First entry, standard risk above the peak of the dragon. Hogard press for the second and third entries upon continuation of the trend. Take the exit at the crossing of the 10-period simple moving average. We kept about 80% of that trade. 70% would be the standard. So good trade. This one will definitely be in play for tomorrow. Swing trade frame for tomorrow. We're taking a look at Cisco, which is number one on our one-day swing trading value. It's at about 9-to-1 reward to risk ratio. It's had a big sell-off. Today was an inside day, kind of a doji. We're ready to play breakouts to the upside or the downside. There's a favorable R multiple in either direction, and the doji says it's a coin flip about which way it goes. We got the price ladder marked out to the upside. The downside, it looks like a 74 would be in range quickly for an intraday trade primarily. So this looks like a good one for tomorrow. This is the daily market health check. Had a fractional gain today, but a large range day, so the market is still very volatile and in play across the board. We're in bullish volatile conditions. Had a bit of a failure to fail further today, so the 2-day score is up a little higher. Plenty of symbols in the Dow to target in the usual way, including a breakdown here in Google. And in the ETFs, again, plenty of targets to choose from in our usual strategies. Bitcoin continuing to get murdered. Breakout in U.S. real estate and treasuries as defensive plays against weakness in equities. Lots to choose from here in the auto framer that frame out better than 2-to-1. And finally, the intraday trading value list: Rigetti, Bitcoin, Intel, Alcoa, Oracle, AMD, Palantir, Uranium, Tesla, and United Health, all in really good shape for vigorous intraday moves. I mean, moving 15% of its intraday, the intraday move being 15% of its price is an extraordinary average volatility. So let's keep our risk measured and powder dry, and we'll see you tomorrow.